Okunwe, widely recognized as Bobrisky, has filed a lawsuit against the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) and the National Assembly, accusing them of infringing on her fundamental rights. In an Instagram post on Saturday, Bobrisky shared court documents dated October 10th that seek to prevent the EFCC and National Assembly from harassing, detaining, or declaring me wanted. In the lawsuit, Bobrisky alleged that the EFCC's investigation was based on hearsay from a WhatsApp conversation published by Very Dark Man. She accused the commission of failing to verify the authenticity of the recording, leading to social media ridicule, threats to her safety, and violations of her privacy. The cross-dresser is demanding 200 million naira from the EFCC for psychotic trauma and 1 billion naira from the National Assembly for violating my right to a fair hearing. Now, what is happening here? Bobrisky matter has been lingering over the years. Here, Bobrisky has sued EFCC and National Assembly to court because she is saying that they have encroached into her privacy without proper investigation. And here, she is saying that for doing that, the EFCC must pay her 200 million naira and the National Assembly will pay her 1 billion naira for violating her rights. So that is what is happening. Because Bobrisky is saying that how could you just hear something and you did not investigate it properly and you begin to tarnish the person's image? That is her right. The sum of 1 billion against the first respondent being damaged for unlawful attempt to violate the right for fair hearing of the applicant, violate his right from discrimination, violate his right for private and family life, right to privacy of his home and telephone conversation. The sum of 200 million naira against the second respondent being damages suffered psychotically trauma, mental torture, and criminal stigmatization caused by the reckless report given by the second respondent to the first respondent without any proper investigation and fair hearing, stating that the doctor's social media published audio by Very Dark Man was true. Now, she is saying that the first respondent must pay the sum of 200 million naira and the second respondent must pay 1 million naira because they fail to investigate the matter very well before they begin to encroach into her private life. Because what they have done, it has caused her a lot of trauma, a lot of trouble. A lot of physical and spiritual torture. That is why he or she took them to court. In her post, Bobrisky accused the EFCC and other security agencies of ignoring court orders and worsening her health. Notwithstanding the earlier filing of his fundamental rights matter, the EFCC still violates, assaulted, and harassed me and put me out of plane set for takeoff, she wrote. She also alleged that security agencies act above the law, urging the international community to take notice. It is a shame that the EFCC does not respect the courts, neither does any security agency. They act above the law which they claim to protect and implement. Here, Bobrisky is taking them to court based on, on her right that has been violated. Says that there was a time it was to travel and she was dragged out of the plane that was about to take off. She's saying the same thing, that these people that claim to be learned and know something fail to investigate matter very well before they dash into it. For what they have done, they have really tarnished our image. Even he even alleged that the security agencies act above the law because they act above even international community. So that is what she is saying. So for that matter, she has sued them to court to pay the sum of what is taking place in this news. Well, I think from what we are hearing, people need to investigate matter very well before they act. Because talking about National House of Assembly, the EFCC, these are government bodies that take care of some certain things. So they must hear matter very well before they comes into it. Thanks for listening.